Hi, so today I am showing you how to use the Twickets bot, and actually I have uploaded a video on Twickets a very long time ago. That's why I am uploading a new one again. So as you can see the date on my screen, and I am also showing you a new
Starting
feature
the bot.
so I am showing you a new feature also that in Twickets now sometime it asks for the captcha solving. So how the bot handles it, I will also show you that. So as you can see, I have already started the bot, and now the bot is looking for a ticket, and this ticket is available actually. So the bot has gone to the next step, and at this time you can see there is a captcha. So the bot is now solving the captcha by itself, and as you can see that the bot has also solved the captcha. And for the captcha solver, you don't need to pay anything.
The ticket has been found. Stop the bot and buy the ticket as soon as possible.
So the captcha solver is included with the bot. You don't need to pay separately for this. Thank you.